Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. This video is for MAT112 and my name is Muhammad Nazrin bin Johan and my metric number is 2025 400376.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Idil Hakimi bin Muhammad Radwan. My matrix number is 2025 401644.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Kadafi bin Muhammad Karushaimi. My matching number is 2025293162.
Today I will be explaining case study 1, question 1A and 1B, which involve compound interest from two different banks, Maju Bank and Jaya Bank. For question 1A, we are given that the principal amount is Rm 100,000. We want to invest this money for 3 years at two different banks. Each bank offers a different interest rate and a different compounding period. To calculate the total amount, we use the compound interest formula, which is S equal to P, open bracket 1 plus K divided M, close bracket power of MT, where P is the principal, K is the annual interest rate, M is the number of compounding periods per year, T is the number of years, S is the final amount. And the formula for interest is interest equal to S minus P. For Maju Bank offers 4.55% interest compounded quarterly, so M equal to 4. S equal to 100,000, open bracket 1 plus 0.04455 divided 4, close bracket power of 4 times 3. When we calculate it, we get S equal to Rm 114,537.20. So the interest earned is I equal to 114,537.20 minus 100,000 equal to Rm 14537.20. For Jaya Bank, the interest rate is 4.75% compounded every 2 months, which means M equal to 6 times. S equal to 100,000, open bracket 1 plus 0.0475 divided 6, close bracket, power of 6 times 3. This gives S equal to Rm 115,250.62. So the interest earned is I equal to 115,250.62 minus 100,000 equal to Rm 15250.62. For question 1B, we compare the total interest earned from both banks. Maju Bank interest equal to Rm 14537.20. Jaya Bank interest equal to Rm 15250.62. Since Jaya Bank give more interest, we should choose Jaya Bank.
So, move on to 1C. So here the investor intend to invest 100,000 ringgit in Jaya Bank for 3 years. For the first 1 year and 7 months, the bank offer 4.75% interest rate compounded every 2 months. And for the rest of the year, which is another 1 year and 5 months, the bank changed the interest rate to 5% compounded monthly. To solve the question, first, we need to find the amount after 1 year and 7 months. Using the formula of compound interest and the information provided, we have 100,000 ringgit as principal. When we put bracket, then 1 plus the rate, which is 0.475%, and divide it with 6, because the bracket, power of 6 times 19 over 12. We will get 107,778 and 95 cents. Then use the answer as second principal. Using the same method and replace 0.475% to 5%, 6 to 12, and 90 over 12 to 70 over 12 to get the amount after 3 years. Divide the amount with 100,000 to get the interest rate. Result in 50,673 and 50 cents as the final answer. We will move on to question 2A. So to summarize this question, we need to find which is higher, whether Susanna investment money or her parents' monthly expenses. To solve this, we need to use annuity formula. Replace 26,442 as A, 0.0425 as K, 12 as M, and 4 as T. Just like that, we will get 600 as final answer. Since 600 is higher than her parents' monthly expenses, which is only 516, so option 1 is the better choice.
Be explaining question 2B. The question states that at the end of her first semester, Susanna needs to buy a laptop. Her father bought for her a brand new laptop through an installment plan by making a down payment of 10% followed by 36 equal monthly payments. The laptop cost 3,250 ringgit and the interest charge is 3.5% compounded monthly. The question wants us to find the monthly payment and the interest charge. So the first step to find that is we need to find the down payment value. To calculate the down payment, 10% times 3,250 ringgit, and the answer is 325 ringgit. So after that, we use the formula A, which is loan, equals to CP, which is cash payment, minus DP, which is down payment. After substituting all of that, we get 3,250 minus 325, and the answer is 2,925 ringgit. So after getting the answer for loan, we substitute it into the present value of an annuity formula. So 2,925 equals R open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 0.035 over 12 closing bracket to the power of negative open bracket 12 times 3 close bracket over 0.035 over 12 close bracket. And we get that 2,925 equals 34.122727 R. And R equals to 85 ringgit and 71 cents. So now we know the monthly payment. We need to find the interest charge. We can find the interest charge by using the formula I equals NR minus A. So I equals to open bracket 12 times 3 close bracket and open bracket 85 ringgit and 71 cents close bracket minus 2,925 ringgit. And we get the answer interest charge equals 160 ringgit and 56 cents. Now question 2C. The question states that if a father wants to settle off the loan immediately after paying the 30th monthly payment, how much additional payment does he have to make? We use the formula present value of an annuity formula. So we substitute the monthly payment and A equals 85 ringgit 71 cents, open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 0.035 divided by 12, closing bracket to the power of negative, open bracket 12 times 6 divided by 12, closing bracket, over 0.035 divided by 12, closing bracket. And we get A equals 509 ringgit and 5 cents. Next, how much interest is actually paid in total? So in order to find that, the amount paid equals to NR, or number of payment made, times R plus the outstanding balance. After substituting the value, we get that 30 times 85 ringgit and 71 cents plus 509 ringgit and 5 cents. The answer is 3,080 ringgit and 35 cents. So now we can find the interest charge. I equals amount paid minus A. After substituting the value, we get that I equals 3,080 ringgit and 35 cents minus 2,925. And the answer is 155 ringgit and 35 cents. Now for the last question, question 2D. It states that if a father missed the first 4 monthly payments, how much should he pay on the 5th payment to settle all the outstanding arrears? By using the future value of an annuity formula and substituting the corresponding values, we get that S equals 85 ringgit and 71 cents, open bracket 1 plus 0.035 over 12, closing bracket, to the power of open bracket 12 times 5 over 12, close bracket, minus 1 over 0.035 over 12, closing bracket. And now we have the future value, which is 431 ringgit and 6 cents. That is all from us. Thank you for watching this video.